All right, this is going to be a lesson on Kokomo by the Beach Boys. So we've got an interesting strum here. We're going to have so down, up, down, up. So that's a 1 and 3 and. So 1 and, no 2. So 1 and 3 and no 4. And we have an and to the 4. So down, up, down, up, and then we switch chords. So our chords are going to be C. We're going to go to a C major 7 by just taking that first finger out. We're going to have a G minor. We'll do this easy one, open with 3s. Then we're going to have an F. We're going to have an F minor. And we're going to have a D7. And we're going to have a G. Now later on, we will also have an A minor and a D minor. Okay, so chord review again. We got C. C major 7, we've got G minor, we've got F, F minor, C again, D7, G, and like I say later we're going to have an A minor and a D minor. Okay, so let's get into it. We're going to go. Okay, so let's try this C to C major 7. Down, up, down, up, then switch. So 2, 3, 4. And switch. Then G minor. Then F. F minor. C. D7 to G. And then we'll do all that again. So C to C major 7, 3, 4. G minor, F, F minor, C, D7, G. Okay, then we're going to go into the chorus. We're going to have C. We're going to do it twice. So 3, 4. F, C, F, and then 1 C, A minor, D minor, okay, then we have a little pause, and then we come back in for a verse. So let's check that chorus again. Chorus is C, 2 bars, F, 2 bars, and you do that twice. So you got 2 more C's, 2 more F's. And then we have C, A minor, D minor, and G. Okay, so C, C, F, F. Here we go. 3, 4. C, A minor, D minor, G. Okay, then we have a little pause. We're back into the next verse. So let's go for a verse again. C to C major 7 to G minor to F. 3, 4. Do that again. Now we're back to the chorus. C's and F's. 3, 4. C, A minor, D minor, G. Okay, then there's another pause, and then they go into a sax solo, and we're gonna do the verse again. So we're gonna do the verse twice. First time it's gonna be a solo, second time it'll be back to singing, and then we'll have another chorus and we'll be to the end. So here we go. From the sax solos, a verse, C to C major 7, G minor to F, all that. 3, 4. Now we'll do it again, and there'll be singing on this one. Okay, then we're in the chorus. 3, 4. Now we got the C to A minor, D minor, G, and then we're back to C's, C's and F's. See how the strum goes right along with the singing, like Okay, so by then it's about faded out. Let's take a quick look at the verse again. We got C, C major 7, G minor to F, F minor to C, D7 to G. So one more time on the verse piece. 2, 3, 4. Into the chorus, 2 C's, F, C to A minor, D minor, G. Okay, and at the end it goes back to like a chorus. All right, Kokomo by the Beach Boys. Good fun tune. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see y'all soon.